Today I wanted to show you more about the Uniden Cloud Security System. It's a reliable, easy-to-use security system for your home that doesn't require a DVR. All your footage is securely recorded and saved to the cloud. So what is the cloud? Where does it go? Can it disappear? Okay, the cloud is simply secure storage on the web that you connect with over your existing internet. It is secured, backed up, encrypted, and dedicated to preserving your footage for as long as you want it. Let's compare that to the old school DVR security systems. With a DVR, you have a physical box somewhere in your home. It can get damaged or simply fail, and you will lose all of your recordings forever. Plus, the modern criminal knows to look for a DVR so he can steal your evidence along with everything else in your home. Since cloud footage is uploaded in real time, you have your evidence preserved from the moment an incident occurs. Oh, and if you've ever programmed a DVR security system, you're gonna love the intuitive and simple setup, which is way easier. You can always, of course, view your property or check in on your pets. Now, let's look at overall cost. When you consider the quality of our cameras, the images, ease of installation, and our affordable packages, you'll find that the Uniden security camera system is best overall for the money. Our system gives you the perfect combination of simple setup, awesome picture quality, and secure storage of all your surveillance recordings. When you consider all your options to make your home more secure, the Uniden Cloud Camera System is the answer that you can trust.